everybody, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Miss Jackie here. I'm sorry that I have not been posting lately. I'm sorry if it's a little dark in here because I don't have the best lighting, and right now I do not have a ring light at the moment, sadly. I'm working on getting a ring light. I'm working on getting a setup so I can be able to do my videos on here, and I want to share that with you guys because I feel that I need to. So you guys, know the reason why I haven't been posting, and also like I work a lot and quarantining and all that stuff is going on right now. So there's just a lot. There's just a lot, a lot going on. So I haven't had time to post. But please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, and definitely don't forget to comment and like my video also, guys. I would really appreciate that. Even if I haven't been on here for a while, if I haven't been posting, please keep an eye when I do post and I do videos so you guys can still watch, because I am definitely trying to be more consistent with YouTube. It's my dream to grow on here, and I just feel that I need to let you guys know that. So yes, so let's get back to the video. This app is called Curtsy, and basically you are selling an item for cheap. It's kind of like Goodwill or Plato's Closet. It's something that you used to wear, or but the thing is, what's awesome about the features in this app is that everybody's quarantining, and what best time to organize and throw things out and re-renovate anything that you own. That's the best time right now to do it. So since you're home and we have to be far away from people, far away from everybody, the best time is just to clean and organize and just start fresh with everything that you own, and just clean your closet. So this app, you can sell anything that you own, and what's cool about it is that you can sell it for expensive or for cheap, or you can sell it for the price that you bought it for, basically. And you can also get half of the percentage of what you're selling, because some of it goes to the app also. So I'm not exactly sure how much of the percentage they take, but you also get paid for your item. So what's awesome is that I made my first purchase a couple days ago, and a girl bought my dress, and the dress that I bought was originally, when I got it at the store, it was 20 bucks, and I am selling it for I would have to say $10, and the girl bought it. And what's cool about it is that you can print out a label, and the label and address and everything is already ready for you. So all you do is have them pay for the shipping, or you can pay for the shipping. You choose what you want to pay for. So I had them pay for the shipping. I had them pay an extra $3.50 or whatever for the shipping, so I didn't have to pay for it. And then once they pay for the shipping, they ship it. All you do is print out a label. If you don't have a printer or anything, what Curtsy also does is that if you want a label for them, they send you a label, so you can be able to send the package to the person that bought the item. So I think that's a very good investment for extra money in your pocket if you need something. You can sell clothes, you can sell jewelry, you can sell purses, shoes, anything with fashion, anything that you wear. Doesn't matter if it's jewelry. You can even sell hats and things for, if you go to festivals. I don't know if you could sell makeup. I don't think so. You can't sell things like that, but You can definitely sell bathing suits, anything you can sell. So it's just a good investment. So I'm gonna show you guys the app. I'm gonna zoom in here so you guys could see everything that I did, so you kind of have an aspect in how to use the app before you download it. So this is the website right here, Curtsy. I actually love this app. I really do, guys. It's a good investment. I'm so happy my friend introduced me to this app, but it's cool. So this is the things that I'm selling right here. It looks like I sold my dress for $6, not 10. Sorry, guys, but you know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, so this is my little profile over here, what I'm selling so far. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So in the bottom, there's like a little camera. You click that, and then you click the camera again, and then you pick your item, the item that you want to sell for. So as you can see here, I'm writing what item I'm selling. So I'm going to put bathing suit top here. I'm going to go ahead and type that. Right here, there's description. So you put what the item looks like, and then what kind of bathing suit it is, the size, all that good stuff. You can just write it down on here. You just fill out the whole form. So right here is retail price. So for example, I'm going to put $30, and right here it basically is offering you to pay for shipping or for them to pay for shipping. So I'm gonna put no, and I'm gonna put $3.45 because they're gonna be paying that $3. And the price range, for example, I'm gonna be selling it for $12. So I'm going to type $12 here. And then currency fee says $3, and then I'm earning $9 back. So I'm going to be earning the $9 back for the item that I'm selling, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to click order a shipping kit. You can order a shipping kit. The first time you order it, it's going to be free. The second time you have to pay $2 for it. Here is the home page, and this is what other people are selling and stuff, so you can buy it. And what's cool about Curtsy also, you get little coins. So every time you get somebody buying your item and stuff, they give you coins. So the coins, it can add up to whatever you're buying. For example, if you're going to buy something from a brand, which is right here, you can use the discount for that with the little coins. Okay guys, this is the end of my video, fortunately. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this app helps you. It helps you for anything that you guys needed. If you guys need extra money, I hope that I will be able to help with that. Because who doesn't need extra money, right? So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that bell button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for being supportive and loving and great. And I will see you guys. So yes, stay safe. Please wash your hands. Please be clean. Please wear masks. Everything, because right now this tragic with coronavirus is crazy. So stay healthy, guys. Stay safe. I will see you guys next time. Peace.